Hi there, this is Karen from Soul Shimmer Designs, and my project for this tutorial is a Christmas candle holder. This project incorporates three of my favourite things to work with, that is tech wrap vinyl, glitter and eco resin. So I hope you enjoy watching it all come together as much as I enjoyed making it. In my tech wrap box of goodies, I had some gingerbread men acrylic blanks, the Christmas tree acrylic blanks, which I'm really looking forward to trying as well. And then I also have the Christmas HTV pack. So there are some really cute designs in there, and I've never used HTV before, so I'm looking forward to trying something new with that. And the Christmas vinyl I'm looking forward to using included Hollow Emerald Green, Burst Shimmer Christmas Green, Glitter White, Hollow Glossy Silver, Mirror Chrome Red, Shimmer White, Sparkle Red, Mirror Chrome Light Gold, Satin Crimson Red and Sparkle Gold. So let's get started on our Christmas candle holder. The 4 candles will sit in this ceramic plate. I have the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I have this platter that I made from eco resin using the silicone mold. I'm using the Mirror Chrome Red vinyl for my 4 words and just weeding these now with my weeding pen. And the 4 words will be hope, peace, joy and love. Before I add my vinyl, I give the ceramic plate a quick wipe over with some alcohol, and then I'm ready to start adding my words. The Mirror Chrome Red vinyl is so easy to work with. You can see here I don't need a lot of pressure. If I'm pushing down with the squidgy, the transfer tape just peels away. I'm applying the last of the vinyl decals now and love the effect that the Mirror Chrome Red gives on the white ceramic. Next up I am applying some holly and mistletoe to the side of the ceramic plate just to give it a bit of extra detail. The green I'm using is the Hollow Emerald Green and it's beautiful. I'm now matching up the leaves with the berries, using some parchment paper underneath just to match up those for the top left hand corner, and then the rest follows. And I'm now just applying the holly and mistletoe just randomly around the ceramic plate. Again, there's not much pressure needed to make sure that the vinyl adheres to the ceramic. And that's all done. Next up, I wanted to show you how I make the numbers and the platter using an eco resin called Resin 200. It's a powder that mixes with water to a certain ratio, and within half an hour it's hardened and you can release it from the mold. It has a slight off-white colour, but to give it a more white look I add in some white Aurora pigment. This is the platter being poured now and released from the silicone mould. And just to add a bit of colour to the white platter, I'm going to put some decals all around it with some different Christmas sayings, and I'm going to mix up some of the colours in the decals. You can see here the merry and bright. I've made the and red just to give it a bit of a different look. So now I'm just applying all the decals around the platter, and I really like using the different colours and textured types of vinyl, even though these reds and greens are quite traditional colours. I think the holographic and the chrome and the different textures you can get definitely give the piece a much more modern feel. Now it's time to bring the numbers to life. Give them a bit of colour with the gold and the red. I've not used vinyl on this resin, eco resin before, and I wasn't sure if the vinyl would stick to it or how it would react, but the Tech Wrap vinyl, no problems, went on smoothly, no issues at all. For the base of the numbers I used the Mirror Chrome Light Gold, and then I did the offset in the Mirror Chrome Red, just to give it a little bit of something to stand out rather than just gold by itself. So the offset has been applied to all of the numbers, and this is how I was thinking to place them on the platter. Then with my Helios 2 Crafters glue, I applied it around the sides and then used some gold flakes and filled in all the gaps to just give it a little bit of extra style. I thought the platter just needed something extra, so I made these stars from the eco resin and of course added glitter with my Helios glue and sealing it also with Helios. Now I have all my components of the Christmas candle holder, so now it's time to put it all together. So the platter and then the ceramic candle holder. I added in some fairy lights because why not? Some pine cones, and used double-sided glue dots to stick on the numbers around the ceramic plate. I added in some small gold candles, and the last piece of the puzzle is to add the stars. And here it is, all finished. Really love how with the candles lit, the colours of the vinyl and also the glitter really shine out. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial, and if you have any questions just let me know. Thank you.